He's like, where are my Doritos?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Yeah. What's up, everyone? Squink here. I used to be a cop, so for that reason I'm here to answer one single question. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question and several other questions by watching these videos every single day. And today's no different. We're going to jump right into a video from police activity titled, Man Gets Shot After Charging at Female Cop with Knife in Phoenix, Arizona. Let's jump in. Here we go. Never seen it. Reacting in real time with my law enforcement background.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
Is he just like twirling his knife? Yes.
911,
Captain
what is
Hook.
the address of your emergency?
43rd Avenue, Union Hills, Asiana Market.
What's going on there?
There's a man with a knife, and he's drunk, and he's assaulting the customers.
Ma'am, is he threatening anybody with it?
Yeah, he's assaulting
he
him,
is.
so
He
yeah.
hasn't threatened with the knife yet, but he is armed.
Is he inside or outside with the store?
He's inside right now, and he's threatening them.
Yeah, he's drunk. I would run him over. Literally, if I saw him with my knife, I would run him. If I saw him with a knife, I would run him over. Period. No audio. I also love like what he's wearing. I really enjoy the shorts and the Birkenstocks. Those are my favorite parts so far.
Drop the knife.
No.
Put it on the ground.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
Put it on the ground.
I don't know why they wouldn't be getting the fuck out of here.
Face.
Uh-uh.
Get your fucking face out
He's
of here.
threatening people.
Before
I need
stab
another
you
unit
to
now.
death. Get out of my
Hey!
fucking face.
Put
Shut
the
up.
knife down.
Shut your fucking.
No.
So she's got two options. She can pepper spray him, she can tase him, or she can shoot him. All would be justified.
Mouth,
No.
bitch.
Put the knife down.
Shut up.
Put the knife down.
Right now he's actively he's showing signs of aggression by actively walking towards her in his Birkenstocks with the knife.
Shut up.
So she would be
Shut
justified
up.
in shooting him.
Shut up.
Put the knife down.
Shut up.
Put the knife down.
Shut up.
Put the knife
I don't know why we're wasting time. He's an active threat.
Put the knife down.
Fucking mouth.
Put the knife
Shut
down.
your fucking mouth.
I understand she doesn't want to shoot him, but I'm gonna save my comments for the end.
The ground. Sit.
Really?
Sit on the ground.
No.
Yes.
No, shoot me.
Yeah.
Shoot me. I'll
Put it on the ground.
I'll kill you, you stupid little bitch.
He's following me around with a
fucking
knife. I
slice
need
your fucking
another new
throat.
unit. I need another
Oh.
unit.
She's scared to shoot him. That's what's going on.
Hey, put it on the ground.
What?
Put it on the ground.
What on the
Put
ground?
it, the knife.
What on the ground?
Put the
Shut
knife
your
on the ground.
fucking mouth.
Put
Get
the
your
knife on the
fucking ass.
Shoot him. You
Put the
have to
knife on
shoot
the
him.
ground.
You have
Put
to
the
shoot
knife on
him.
the ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife on the ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife on the ground.
You have to.
998, 998.
You literally have to.
I got it on video. You're with us. Fuck that.
Hey,
That fucking.
get on, stay on the ground.
She needs to turn him over.
Stay on the
Did she
ground.
kick the knife away? So this is the pedestrians video. God, she is so lucky she didn't back into that curb and trip. He's like, where are my Doritos? Yeah, you have to. You literally have to.
I got it all on. I got it all on video.
Good. Okay, so did I just switch videos on accident? No. Okay, so let's break this down. There's not a lot of options she has. He's walking towards her actively with his Birkenstocks. And he just keeps approaching her. At one point he starts swinging it.
Shut up.
Put the knife down.
Shut up.
Put the knife down. Put the knife down. I'm so serious. Put the knife down.
Fucking mouth.
Put the knife down.
So some people may ask, why didn't she tase him? Well, because sometimes tasers don't effectively work. They aren't effective at all, most times, in my experience. If she were to tase him and it was ineffective, that would just piss him off, as we've seen in several other videos. She could pepper spray him, which would take out his eyes. Usually it's pretty effective at taking out the eyes. You can't see. You can't see very well. But then, he's still not under control. Pepper spray just kind of makes you go blind for a bit. That's not going to control him, though. So, unfortunately, the backup is taken a bit. And at the point when he starts running at her, she did the right thing by shooting him. She didn't go over the top. She didn't shoot him 100 times. She only shot him the one time. And I think that was appropriate. So for that reason, I am going to give this officer a B. I do think she should have made the decision to shoot him sooner, because at any point he could have turned towards one of the pedestrians and gone after them. So I think she would have been justified from the moment he started stepping towards her with the knife. Otherwise, I think she did a great job. She was using verbal commands. I didn't see her kick the knife away at the end. I could be wrong. But that would be the first, yeah. As he's running in his Birkenstocks, that's the point when I would shoot him. So let's see if she kicks the knife away. It's right there.
With the knife!
There's the knife. Okay, so she does kick it. Nice. She gets an A. She gets a... Yeah, she gets an A. She kicked the knife away. That was my main concern. Yeah. I do these videos every single day. So, if you like this video, leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe, share it. I mean, you know, it is what it is. I feel bad for the guy that he got shot, but then again, he chose this. He chose to get drunk, go to whatever store this is, and start threatening people. So, that's that. If you like this video, come back tomorrow, because I do them every single day. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see ya.